Hi Cars fans and collectors! This time we have here for you Race Team Sarge from the Lights and Sound series. Race Team Sarge is one of the newer Lights and Sound releases and speaks or makes sounds while he is flashing his headlights to it. If you compare him to the regular Sarge release, you will of course notice his headset and a different facial expression, but other than that, the sides and decals are pretty much the same, and he's also in the same 1 to 55 scale. Sarge has 11 different sounds and phrases, which are:
Move it, move it, move it! Leader needs our help! Well, just go idle there. Let's roll! Get moving! Go get 'em, boys! Your suspension stats look good, Lightning! Leader, where are you? Lightning, can you read me? Report back at 2300 hours.
press this button for more than 3 seconds and the headlights will stay on. Sarge is with his headset around 3.5 inches long, 1.5 inches wide, and a bit over 1.5 inches tall. Thank you for watching and see you soon.